Musamseleku and Macele, they planned to expose Makumalo about IVF thing, about Makumalo have a child before she married to Musamseleku. So Musamseleku told Macele they have to call the cameras. Macele, she is talking to Musamseleku, but they are exposing Makumalo because he want to come clean. Musamseleku and Makumalo, they tried several times behind Macele's back to have IVF, but they failed. That's why we didn't see Musamseleku and Makumalo. They are at hospital, at doctors on cameras. Musamseleku, he was trying to hide to Macele that Macele, she can't know. Macele knows through Mangwabe and Mayeni are those people who tells Macele that Makumalo and Musamseleku, they bring another woman in Muzumbe. You know those women are too jealous to see Musamseleku to bring another wife. So they want Macele to stop about it. They know that Macele have got power. Even she tells Musamseleku that you can't bring another woman. Musamseleku tolerate Macele more than them. That's why Makumalo now, she doesn't have a child because of those wives. And Macele told Musamseleku to stop about it. Musamseleku tried with his own means to have got IVF with Makumalo, that Makumalo, she can have a child. But it failed because of his wives, the three of them, Mayeni, Mangwabe, and Macele, are those people. Now Makumalo, she doesn't have a child. But Makumalo didn't come on social media or on television to explain about IVF issue because it involving other wives. Other wives, they don't want Musamseleku and Makumalo to bring another woman. Maybe Macele and Mangwabe, they think that maybe Musamseleku is going to marry that woman, but that woman was carrying Makumalo's child. So Musamseleku tried with his own means. That's why he want to come clean on cameras that Macele have to explain everything about Makumalo's IVF issue. They tried several times. Musamseleku, he can't explain on his own because people, we don't believe Musamseleku. But if it was Macele, she was explaining about it, we can believe Macele because Macele doesn't care, because Musamseleku doesn't want Makumalo to blame him again. Why are you exposing me on cameras? What? But it's good to come true because those things, guys, those issues, they already happened. You know that Mayeni can't explain everything about Makumalo. You understand? They know Makumalo's secrets. Even Mayeni says, Makumalo, you wronged me. What? If they want to expose Makumalo, they expose him. But Macele doesn't care to expose Makumalo. That's why Musamseleku told Macele that I have to call the cameras tomorrow and we have to explain about it. Makumalo have to tell people the whole story because we don't know that the real Makumalo now, that what she is saying sometimes is true or false. We don't know. You understand? Musamseleku tried to support him because we saw Musamseleku, he was supporting Mangwabe about her daughter's operation in Mayen. We saw it on cameras, but we didn't see them together. They are going to the doctor together with Makumalo because he was trying to protect Makumalo through Macele. That Macele can't know. But Macele found it with those wives, Mangwabe and Mayen. I don't know why they are telling him. And those issues, guys, happened long time, maybe on season 5 or season 4. It's about 2020 or 2019. Musamseleku and Makumalo, they are trying to have IVF. Now on season 6, Musamseleku and Makumalo, they had a conversation that we want to have IVF. What? Those people, guys, they are pretending, but they know that they tried several times to have IVF. It failed. So they have to come through to tell people the truth because another wife can expose them on cameras. You understand? So Makumalo, next time when she had something or on her life, because it's reality life, you have to explain everything, that she had a child before she married to Musamseleko. You understand? People will know the whole story, what happened